Hello, guys. Let's do some math. We are almost through. It is now Thursday, and we are on lesson 8, session 4, page 181. So in your math books, you see some carrots and some bunnies, and it says refine, subtracting to compare in word problems. So they have this example here, and it says Nan sees 6 birds. Cam sees 9 birds. How many fewer birds does Nan see? They did 9, which is the greatest number, minus 6. How many fewer? 3. So 9 dots, 6 dots, and then there would be 3 that go in there. So you're going to fill in a 3. This next problem copies that. However, they also drew the bunnies and the carrots. They didn't make them in a row. So I can teach you how to solve that too with them not being in a row. I took the most important things from problem number 1 on page 181 and put them down on the paper so you guys can know what is the most important. So it says there are 7 carrots and 4 rabbits. How many more carrots? So here's our carrots. So what we're looking for is 7 minus 4. How many more are there? What I did is I stacked them all on top. But even if you don't stack them all on top, this strategy works. So I would say, all right, you have a pair and you are a pair. A pair is 2. So these all have a leftover. We don't have it in the book. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bunnies. So here you could see, okay, I'm missing 1, 2, 3 bunnies. So there are 3 more. Okay, there are 3 more carrots than there are bunnies. You don't have this where they're in a row. You have them down here where they're all scattered. So what you would do is say 1, 2, 3, 4. Match those up with these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then circle how many are left. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 more. The book also gives you this. It has a line here, and then it has a question mark here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So all of these are going to get one of these 4. This total row like a rowboat, is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then what they want you to do is write in these 4 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're missing 5, 6, 7 from here. But they're actually not circles because they're missing. We'll do X's. 1, 2, 3. So in here you have your 3 that are missing. So you have 3 more. See how there's these 3? There are 3 more. So different ways of looking at it, but getting the same problem. Okay, if that's confusing, watch it again, ask a question in a live session so you can understand. I'm turning the page. I have problem number 2. I'm going to keep that up because they use this in this problem. Looks like the next couple ones do, actually. So it says, there are 6 pencils. There are 2 erasers. Let me get my marker. There are 6 pencils. There are 2 erasers. Oh, I was wrong. So 6 pencils, 2 erasers. So I'm going to cross out one of those because I know I'm dealing with 6. And I'm going to cross out that because, again, it is different numbers. Okay, so here I should have 6 and here I should have 2. And then what they do is they have this line here, and that line is just like what we talked about before. It just looks different here. So they want to know 6 minus 2 equals blank. So using this, actually the book only gives you this, right? It only gives you that. and then it does that. So it is 6, and then it says how many are over here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your 6, and then down here you're gonna fill in 2. 1, 2. Then you're going to count on and you're going to stop at 6 because you have 6 here, they all need a partner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do they each have a partner? Yes, it's very sloppy, it's very messy, and I apologize, but hopefully you can see each one has a partner. These were the first 2 that I counted that were in this box right here. So then I'm gonna count how many are on this side because I already knew 2 in the problem. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 6 minus 2 is 4. There are 4 fewer. Whew, I feel my brain just exploding. I'm just getting so much smarter, learning all these extra strategies. Nice. Problem number 3. Same thing, 3 red markers, 6 yellow markers. How many more yellow markers are there? More. So we're doing 6 minus 3 equals blank. So they've drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then they did this. Right? That's what yours looks like. So all of these need a partner in their column like the White House. If you draw vertical lines go straight up and down, then you would see, so we'll draw a line there. You would see this is your 6 in this row like a rowboat. This row has nothing in it. So I need to draw my 3. 1, 2, 3. Count on 4, 5, 6. These don't really exist though because I only have these 3, right? So here it would be 1, 2, 3 that I'm missing. That X is like missing it. So I know 6 minus 3 is 3. Again, a lot of you might already know this. We're working on strategy. How did we get there? This is how we got there. All right. So the next problem says 8 apples and 6 bananas. 8 apples and 6 bananas. 8 apples, 6 bananas. So we're needing to solve 8 minus 6 equals what? How many more apples are there? So I'll keep that. Then I'm going to draw my 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Line across. And 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your line should be about there. And then it says question mark. So again, I would always draw that line up. And then you know you have all these that are partners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And here I have 8 in this row like a rowboat. 6, 7, 8. This row only has 6. I'm missing 1, 2. So now I know it should have 2 in here. Okay. Number 5, Kay has 5 red cars. So she has 5 red. Good. And 7 yellow. 7 yellow. How many fewer red cars does she have? So it wants us to answer blank minus blank equals blank. And then it has blank fewer. And then it also gives you this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my biggest number, which is 7, and I'm going to fill it into this rectangle. So I'm going to say 1. Actually, I'm going to use those for the ones that are missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is my biggest number. So I'm going to put it there for subtraction because subtraction always starts with the biggest number. Now the only other number I know is 5, so I'm going to plug that in there. And I'm also going to plug it in down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, all of them are in a column like the White House. So then that way, I know each one has a partner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. There are 2 fewer. 5 is 2 fewer than 7. I'm missing 1, 2 to get me all the way to 7. This is so fun. I hope you guys are having fun with this. I love math and I'm really enjoying it. So I hope you are too. I got my fancy eraser. I don't know where my sock is. I think maybe one of my kids might have taken it and was wearing it. I don't know. We'll find out. Page 183 and page 184 are the same thing. We're just going to keep going. So number 1 on page 83, under here, it says Anna eats 5 berries. Mario eats 8. 8 minus 5. The biggest number comes first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm not gonna draw the lines. I will. And then down here, I have to plug in my 8, plug in my 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Draw my line where they all have a partner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I see how many are missing. Well, 1, 2, 3. 3 are missing. So she has 3 fewer berries. Turn the page. We are almost done. 6 pears and 8 oranges. 6 and 8. So we're going to draw this. Whoop. Now I'm going to turn it into a subtraction. 8 minus 6. 8 is the biggest number. It comes first. Plug in 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw a line where they line up. Make sure you're drawing them lining up. Okay. Now, I need blank more. It says how many more? How many more are there? More is 1, 2. They have 2 more. Here I have 2 fewer. Here I have 2 more. 1, 2 to match those up and give them a partner. Right, the next one has a big number. All those yellow dots. It says 9 balloons and 4 star stickers. 9 balloons, 4 star stickers. Draw your square. You don't have to because your book does it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 balloon stickers. 4, I think they were star stickers. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Line it up. So I'm doing 9 minus 4 equals blank. Now I'm going to count on 4 because you already told me. I already know it's 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is your answer. It has 5 more balloons than stars. 5 more. Oh my gosh, you guys made it to the last problem. Nice job. Nice job, my friends. Okay, this one says 7 soccer balls and, whoa, I don't know what that was. 2 footballs. How many more soccer balls are there? So he wants to fill in blank minus blank equals blank. So again, I'm going to take my largest number and put it in the top because I know subtraction starts with the biggest number. I'm going to fill in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, fill in my 7 first, excuse me. Then the only other number I know is 2. So I'm going to plug it in down here. 1, 2. No. It needs to be right in line with this guy. Okay, so now I can take my line and cut it down. Now I'm going to count on from 2, stopping at 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 5. So again, you may know these strategies, or I'm sorry, you may know that 7 minus 2 is 5. You may know that 7 minus 5 is 2. Awesome. But what I want you to focus on is this strategy of counting on and counting back. So you're going to write 5 more, because here is where these don't exist. So I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here I have 0. There's 5 more when they both have 2. If you're finding the difference. All right, one more session and we're done for the week. Good job, friends. I love you so much. And it's your last week before Thanksgiving break. That's pretty cool. All right, bye guys.